At Evergreen Home and Garden Showplace, the Green people have been creating memorable experiences with our customers for over 65 years. Now, more than ever, is the time to shop at Evergreen. Avoid uncertain trips to the grocery store while improving your diet and health with a fresh vegetable or herb garden in your own backyard. Houseplants and succulents add beauty and improve the air quality in your home as you care for them. String lights, paver patios, and lush gardens create the feeling of a relaxing getaway without the headache of travel. Take a break from your home office, get some needed fresh air, and exercise as you enjoy your personal outdoor space. As the oldest and most complete garden center in East Tennessee, we have the gardening products, customer service, and horticultural knowledge you need to make your home a healthy and beautiful escape. Take this opportunity to prepare the garden of your dreams. We are your gardening experts. Visit Evergreen today, conveniently located at 1876 Morning Drive in Colonial Heights, or visit our online store at egardenplace.com.
Home and garden showplace, making beautiful gardens. Come alive.